Hi, this is the Hotwav T5 Pro and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then scroll to the sound section just to mute or change the volume level of the media calls, ring notifications and alarms. We should just slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels with our finger by this way. We could here turn on or turn off also the don't disturb mode to allow some calls such as on notifications from many people's apps or alarms, to set the schedule and to change the duration for quick settings, and also we could display now options for hiding notifications. Let's go back. We could switch here phone ringtone. In media section we could pin media player and show media recommendations with a click on the switchers. We could activate or turn off the vibration for calls to change default notification and alarm sounds, and to activate also dial pad or turn off dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, and also in sound attachment we could use volume booster for speaker. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.